Today, I'm going to show you how to build your own age calculator using just two functions. Now, the two functions which we are going to use are date subtraction and datedif. So now let's see each function. For this, I'm going to have two dates now. Just let me say date of birth as the first date and current date as the second date. Here you can enter your date of birth. So February 22nd, 1985. Optionally, you can also enter the time. For display purposes, I'm going to just change the format here to show me the seconds and whether it's AM or PM. Of course, for the current date, it's simple. We just type is equal to now in the column and just paste the format. Okay, so let's see the first function, date subtraction. If you want to know how dates are stored in Excel, please check out my other video, Dates Explained. First function is going to be end date minus start date, which means we're going to do is equal to end date minus the start date. Now this gives me the number of days, this whole number part, and the mantissa gives me the time difference. The second function is going to be the datedif. So in the datedif, you need to enter the start date, enter the end date, and provide an option. Let's see the options now. So let me put the formula here. Datedif, start date, comma, end date, comma, and I specify y here, and this here gives me the number of years, the completed years between these two dates. Similarly, you can use the option M to give the number of month and D to give the number of days. Datedif also provides with the possibility to see how many months have passed in the same year with the option YM. Yes, now you see there's 2 months passed, and there's also the possibility to find how many days have passed or completed days ignoring the year. As you can see, this days, 7 days, refers to the difference between 29 and 22. Okay, these are the two functions which we are going to use to build our age calculator. Let me just quickly erase this and just type a field called age. And we know so the age now is 36 years, 2 months, and 7 days from the February of 22nd, 1985. Okay. This completes the first part of our age finder or age calculator. And let me also show you how to display the day of the date of birth and the current day. That can be And there you go. February 22nd, 1985 was a Friday, and today's date is gonna be a Thursday. Okay, the basic has been completed. So I would also like to show you how you can do this for number of months and days, weeks and days, and so on and so forth. Own age calculator. Every time you save the file, the age calculator automatically calculates. Or you can use from the formula section calculate now option, which will also increment or which will update the current time and thereby updating all your calculations.